Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through 5 best typing jobs in 2025. So let's get started. 1. Transcriptionist. A transcriptionist transcribes audio or video files into written text. This might include interviews, meetings, lectures, or even legal proceedings. What's the pro? It's in high demand, it has flexible work hours and potential for high earnings with experience. But it can be monotonous, it requires excellent listening and typing skills, and may involve exposure to sensitive or disturbing content. Now let's look at the second one. Number 2, data entry specialist. Data entry specialist enters data into databases, spreadsheets, or other systems. This may involve processing orders, managing customer information, or updating records. It has low barrier to entry. It often requires little or minimal training. It can even be a good starting point for remote work, but it can be repetitive and monotonous. It has the potential for low pay and may require high levels of accuracy and attention to detail. Let's look at the third one. Now the third one is called virtual assistant, but with a typing focus. Now what does a virtual assistant do? You are to provide administrative support to clients remotely, often involving tasks such as email management, scheduling appointments, and drafting correspondences. Now, it involves diverse skill development, and you have the potential for career growth. You also have the opportunity to work with a variety of clients, but it requires strong communication and organizational skills. It can also involve unpredictable workload and may require handling of sensitive information. The next one on the list is proofreader or editor. A proofreader reviews written content for errors in grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style. It's in high demand. This job is actually in high demand because of high quality content. It's an opportunity to work with various types of writing and can be intellectually stimulating. But it requires a strong command of the English language and a keen eye for detail. It may also involve working with tight deadlines. The next on the list, which is number 5, is subtitler or captioner. Now, a subtitler creates subtitles or captions for videos, making them accessible to a wider audience. It's a growing demand because of the rise of video content. It can be a rewarding way to make content more inclusive, but it requires excellent listening skills, attention to detail, and the ability to synchronize text with video accurately. This list, please note that this list provides a general overview. The specific demands and compensation of these roles can vary significantly. This information is for general knowledge and informational purposes only. So please do your research on the particular area you want to focus on. I hope you found this video helpful on how to get your career started in these areas. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.